go back to the racket, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, a tennis player with snails. Terrible. It's too bad. It's too bad to tag people for sale. That's right. I'll give you 10 kilos now. Buy small, buy big, buy big, buy big. Mobile phones for sale. I'm telling you 30 kilos. I said buy small now. It's been almost half a month. So tomorrow I'm going to make oysters. It's too late for the whole family. Who eats this cam cow? You are cam cow tickled butterfly. That's a great choice. See, your product is Vietnamese high quality original brick goods. Oh my god, is that hip? Drop chem copy. Terrible cotton lan. There's a hole in-sized house. There are times when it has to be. I'm close to selling it. Who has time to import ducks? Going separately today. Is it done? You see that, man? A million. See. This is a great day for me, my whole soul. I'm ready to go back to eating rice. Kim In-gon came down to pay for me. Yeah, he's coming down to check. Oh my god. The same goes for the racket in the afternoon. There are rackets here in the afternoon. It's terrible. Here's the 300 grams racket. 400 grams is terrible. How many crabs did you weigh this afternoon? Oh my god, poor crab today. How many crabs are there? There is a price for crabs that are always miserable. There you are. It's always moving like that. Why are mosquitoes so bad right now? That's what this dream is all about. Now, there's a few hundred kilos of rackets, a few hundred kilos of chem. I will send it wherever Tim writes. Ship caught across the country. I can send you the whole route. I can always send a snail to Hanoi. Send it out to Mong Kai. I can always buy it from you. I have no shame. There's a lot of weight in my hip. You can ship it all over the world if you want to eat it. It's been heavy lately. Let's go get the racket. Let's go catch a racket by car now. It doesn't have to be on a case like it used to be. The forest is dry now, and you can go by car. Then, put the crab in here. That's it. A crab or something. Oh my god, mosquitoes. So god. It's terrible. I heard the mosquitoes call it back. Oh my god, mosquitoes, come on. Let's go and see a. This is my family's fresh seafood. This is Sam the elephant. There's an elephant tattoo. Rock crab. Glare glare sun glare light. Here's the rock crab. That little model of my house. I sold that much. The groupers are also big today. Your grouper just weighed a few kilos. A few days ago there was. A few days ago, some groupers came. 3 kilos. This one is small today. This baby is small. This grouper is a natural grouper, and the whole family can see it. It's always buzzing. This grouper is a natural Asian square grouper, but it has 2 types. What is salt sauce? Square salt sauce in People's Square. God, it's as strong as a dragon. Salted fish in the square is that it tastes better, it's fatter. The meat is much better. Sea salt sauce, the meat is not as fat as. I am. I didn't lose my mother. Come on, get the bag. Come on, get it. There are locusts. It's gone. Here's the fish. Specialties of a New Yen in Gokhin. BA raw nachos. Or BA slotting. Or whatever it is, it's all smooth. Yeah, here's the clam. The scallop just now, the scallop, the butterfly, saw the hip. I saw the clam rubbing the butterfly's hips. The whole family now wants to get sick. Everywhere I go, I see all the rackets. 2 children, 1 tassel. What are 2 of them? 100.5 grams. And bow to the whole family. Hillet donated tons of luck. I don't like you. Let's go back to sales. It depends on how many kilos you want. 1 kilogram until that year 90 with 200 whole. $15,000 with to 7,012 with to 7 how. 9,000 pieces of shit for the whole family. That and understanding. My friends are reporting that the boat is arriving. It could be 1 ton of fish, because each fish is about a few hundred pounds. Several hundred kilos of boats are landing continuously, brothers and sisters. Where to put it? Two of you. 3 of you. 3 of you. What are you looking for? The other side of the hip means that I should take my car to use BA right hip.